So I was about to remove the gas pedal, and then I noticed this. I thought to do something a little bit more different because a friend of mine borrowed a DJI microphone, and in previous I tried to go and explain how I do stuffs and why I do them, but to be honest, with the Rode microphone on top of the camera it wasn't such a good quality on the audio. So I will try to explain why I do some certain stuffs and why I don't do some, and we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so usually I start by removing the seats, and I know a lot of you ask me if I remove the negative terminal on the battery, and I don't, because I don't want to have the chance of resetting the radio player, or how it's called, and if the owner doesn't have the code to unlock it, then it will be fun. So I have a VCDS for this model, and I will remove the airbag from the dashboard if it pops. So I was about to remove the gas pedal, and then I noticed this, and it's full of web. Hope I don't find a friend here. And also, to remove the gas pedal you need this tool, because it has two clips, as you can probably see here. You need to insert it here and then it will pop out. But for that you need to remove this plastic behind the pedals, so in order for the gas pedal to go up. So despite of how dirty this is, I'm lucky because this type of material, it's really easy to vacuum. Like, you only need a little bit of agitation and everything gets loosened up. So, lucky me. So at first you thought there isn't that much sand inside this, but check this out. Okay, so I was about to start vacuuming the trunk, and I thought this was some cover, but it's not. So I've seen a lot of stuff, but like this is something new. A steamer on this type of seats, I mean on how dirty they are, it's a must. I usually avoid the steamer because it can do more harm than good. On some vehicles, of course, depends on how dirty they are. But usually on older vehicles with faded plastics and so, I tend to avoid it. That's why I mainly use on upholstery and not on plastics or soft touch paint, especially on soft touch paint. I avoid it 100% on that one. But yeah, these seats will be a pain to do, but we'll get them right. Maybe some of you are wondering why I use this type of sprayer instead of the IK one that I use on the wheel arches or wheels. It's because with this one I have way more control on how much solution I use on the upholstery rather than just soak it wet. Like this one I can do like 3-4 puffs and that's it, and if I do need more solution I can just unscrew it and do a hard stream and that's it. So that's why I love this, and also it's a great forearm exercise, so win-win. Yeah, based on the wooden sticks you use to mix the coffee and sugar. Check this out, I was sure about it. It's the second day of working on this Volkswagen. Today we are gonna take care of the whole plastics, windows and dressing on the plastics. Yesterday we took care of the whole upholstery, except in the door cards, and I won't touch this, because this is a model from 2006 and they are well known from hanging, especially the headliner and the door cards. I'll show you how to test them and if you can clean them or not. This will apply on the headliner also. So let me show you. To test if you can clean the door cards and headliner, you just need your finger and choose a place, press it, and as you can see, it doesn't come back. So that means the foam behind the upholstery has gone bad. And any moist you are going to induce in this, it will result into this. So in this case, I'd rather leave it as it is. Yeah, by cleaning the vents, I remembered I've seen some videos of people using steam on vents. It looks good, but to be honest, you're doing way more harm than good. Because steam doesn't clean the whole vents, you're just inducing moist, and germs love to stay at moist. So yeah, in my opinion, just buy an ozone generator and stop doing that steamy vents videos and I don't know how to call them. It's just my opinion, don't take it wrong. This is a place that I've seen a lot of people forget to do. So if you want to get your detailing to the next level, make sure you're cleaning between the glass and the door card. Just get a long brush, scrub the product inside, and at the end you just need a little bit of air and get the excess out, and that's it. So weird that the smoker package comes only on the rear right door, because that one doesn't have one. So this is another example of missed spots when detailing. Always remember to clean behind this gasket. So not all the cars have this. Like I mean, on this one it's flexible, you can bend it without damaging it, or it's easy to clean, but some cars, like if I remember the Tesla, this gasket is so tight, like it doesn't get dirty at all there, and it's almost impossible to clean behind it. So yeah, it's definitely nice to check. Like it takes 1 second to do this, and that's it. Well, the whole interior is clean, as you can see. Everything is done. I even installed the rear seats back. And now I would usually start applying Carpro Perl, the dressing, on the plastics. But I have to wash the exterior first to clean the door jambs because they are really dirty, and usually I pressure wash them. So when you pressure wash them, and I use Multi-X to clean them, I will also spill a little bit of product and water on the sides. So I'd rather take care of the exterior first and then apply the dressing so I don't have to work 2 times, of course. On the exterior, guys, sadly, I won't record it because the owner went to self-wash, because he told me he drove a muddy road, like non-paved road, and it was really dirty, and I think I can understand that because he didn't clean like here. But I won't record it because look at this. It won't be a huge difference. So unlucky for the video and lucky because I don't have so much work to do, to be honest. But I still have to wash the exterior. After that, we'll take care of the plastic dressings, and then I will clean the windows and record the after shots. So, see you in a bit. My go-to applicator for the dressing on plastics, it's a high GSM microfiber. Back in the days, I mean like 3 years ago, I was usually applying it with a sponge applicator, how it's called. But to be honest, I like the high GSM towel more, because you can get deep in the crevices of the fibers it has. So it's faster, easier, And you can just fold it in 4, but usually I keep messing it around. And then with the dryer side you can wipe off the excess, and that's it. It's way more faster and something got loosened up.